In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your Microsoft Edge settings to manage intrusive ads and remove unwanted ad blockers. We'll guide you through this process step by step so you can enjoy a smoother browsing experience. First things first, let's open Microsoft Edge. Once you have launched the browser, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will notice three dots arranged vertically, which is commonly known as the More or Settings and More menu. Go ahead and click on these three dots. By doing so, a pop-up menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. You'll find this option about midway down the list, and selecting it will open a new window or tab depending on your settings. Now you'll be taken to the Settings page where all the customization options for Edge reside. We'll make this part quick and easy by using the search bar feature to get precisely where we need to go. In the newly opened Settings tab, look at the top to find the search bar. This handy tool allows you to swiftly navigate the myriad of settings available without sifting through every category manually. In the search bar, type Intrusive Ads. Once you've typed that in, you should see suggestions or options related to ad settings appear. You'll want to look for the option that allows you to unblock intrusive ads. Click on the settings that pertain to intrusive ads and check whether they are blocked. If they are blocked, you'll want to unblock them by adjusting the settings accordingly. Unblocking intrusive ads can sometimes be beneficial, especially if certain websites you frequent depend on ads for their operation, and they ensure a better user experience by doing so. Next, let's ensure any ad blockers you've previously added to Edge are also removed, as they might interfere with your browsing or the changes you've just made. To do this, return once more to the top right corner of your Edge browser and look for the puzzle piece icon. This icon represents your extensions, including any ad blockers you might have installed. Click that puzzle icon, which will bring up a list of extensions you currently have active on Edge. Look specifically for any ad blocker you've installed. To the right of the ad blocker extension, you'll see another set of three dots. Clicking on these will give you a small menu where the option to remove from Microsoft Edge will be available. Click Remove from Microsoft Edge to uninstall the ad blocker. This action will ensure there are no extension conflicts, and your browser is now configured according to your exact preferences. And that's it. Your Microsoft Edge is now optimized to manage ads according to your preference. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and consider subscribing.